Welcome to Office 24 by 7. Today, I'll walk you through our cloud telephony platform, an all-in-one communication solution designed to simplify inbound and outbound call management, automate call flows, and track performance in real time. Cloud telephony essentially moves your entire call management system to the cloud. That means there's no hardware, no complex setup, just a seamless way to connect your teams and customers faster. With Office 24 by 7, every call, whether inbound, outbound, or a follow-up, is managed from a single interface. Let's start with inbound calls. Each account is configured with one or more virtual numbers, depending on your plan. Calls made to these numbers are automatically routed to the right agent or team through intelligent routing rules. For example, here I have an inbound call coming in. You can see that the status in the agent CTI changes to ringing. When I accept the call on my phone, the status changes to talking. A panel opens automatically with complete call details, showing the caller's number, call history, and related CRM information. If the caller is new, the panel will be empty and the agent can fill in the details based on the conversation with the caller. From here, agents can use advanced features like conference and transfer, all within the CTI interface. If you haven't seen our earlier video on these CTI features, you'll find the link in the card above and in the description. Once the call is completed, the agent can simply click End and then wrap up to close it. Now let's look at outbound calls. To make an outbound call, I simply enter a number in the dial pad. The call first connects to the agent, and once accepted, connects the customer. The status moves from dialing to talking. This two-step process ensures that the agent is always in control of the call flow. All call activities, both inbound and outbound, are automatically logged in the communication panel under cloud telephony. Here, you can view every call's type, caller number, status, duration, and even the recording file. You can also check whether the call was answered or not. This helps maintain complete visibility into call operations, agent performance, and customer engagement history. Whenever a call comes in, the agent sees a real-time pop-up displaying all caller information, including linked CRM data, call notes, and recordings. This pop-up enables agents to respond faster and more efficiently because they instantly know who's calling and what the conversation context is. The backbone of our cloud telephony platform lies in its automation flows. You can design smart call flows that handle everything, from routing calls to triggering follow-up messages. For example, you can build IVRs that guide callers through options, send automatic WhatsApp or SMS messages after each call, or trigger email alerts for missed calls. You can create single-level, multi-level, executive-level IVRs, or even IVRs with voicemail. These automations can be tailored to suit your business needs. To show how flexible this is, I'll open one of the automation flows that I configured for a multi-level IVR. Here, calls are routed based on the caller's preferred language and then routed to preferred departments. I've already uploaded a detailed tutorial on setting this up, which you can find linked in the card above and in the description. Next, let's look at call dispositions and follow-ups. After each call, agents can log outcomes like completed, follow-up, do not call back, busy, invalid, or not interested. These values are completely customizable. You can add or modify them as per your organization's process. Agents can also schedule follow-up reminders so they're notified before the next engagement date, helping them stay on top of every lead and ensuring no customer is missed. All calls are recorded automatically, and these recordings are stored in the system for future reference. Supervisors can access them anytime for training, performance evaluation, or quality audits. You can play recordings directly from the platform without having to download them. Our cloud telephony platform also enables seamless multi-channel communication. After completing a call, agents can send a WhatsApp message or an email directly from within the same panel. To send a WhatsApp message, I just click the WhatsApp icon, click Add Activity, select the caller's number, choose a message template, either new or existing, and send it instantly. Similarly, to send an email, I click the Email button, then click Add Activity. And then I select the email ID associated with the caller, add a subject, choose a sender name, for example, Office 24 by 7, and either pick a predefined template or write a new message. The system uses your pre-integrated business email credentials, so messages are always sent from your official ID. There's also an option to schedule activities related to the call, such as meetings or follow-up tasks, and assign them to other users. You can see a complete history of all these interactions, from the day the record was added to the system until now, ensuring nothing is missed. Supervisors have access to a real-time agent monitoring screen. By clicking the monitoring icon, you can see live agent statuses, including who's on a call, who's idle, and how many calls each agent has handled. Admins can even barge into ongoing calls, hang up inactive lines, or log out agents directly from the screen. To demonstrate, I'm placing a call now. You can see that the barge in and hang up options become available once the call is live. Supervisors can also update the caller status here by giving their remarks. These administrative actions ensure better control and quicker resolutions during high-traffic hours. You can also filter and sort call data in the communication panel based on agent, campaign, call status, or even custom fields. Filters can be saved as views for quicker access. You can combine multiple conditions using operators and values to build dynamic filters for call analysis. Our reports provide complete visibility into call performance. You can generate and download reports that analyze average handling times, call volumes, and agent productivity. For instance, the average handling report gives detailed insights into talk time, wrap-up duration, and total calls handled by each agent. These reports are essential for understanding performance trends and making informed business decisions. And finally, Office 24/7 lets you create intuitive dashboards that give complete visibility into your cloud telephony operations. From live call monitoring and agent tracking to campaign and system insights, each dashboard delivers real-time data in a simple visual format. Here you can see the dashboards I've created, like Agent and Team Performance. It contains widgets that provide insights into agent call metrics, call connectivity metrics, this month's agent performance metrics, agent-wise reports, etc. In summary, Office 24/7. Cloud telephony gives you complete control over your business communication. From call handling and follow-ups to automation, analytics, and reporting, it's everything you need to deliver smarter, faster, and more connected customer experiences. To know more or experience it live, schedule a demo with our team or contact us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product walkthroughs and tutorials.